In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can install Hindenburg. If you don't already have Hindenburg or have purchased it, you can download a trial version. Just go to hindenburg.com and here you can find the 30-day trial. Press the trial button and you will be directed to the trial page. Now, if you scroll down, you are now able to fill in your name and email and request a trial. A trial mail has now been sent to you, where you have your key and a download link. If you press the download link, you'll be directed back again to that website, where you can now download the trial. You can download for Mac or for Windows. Whilst you're downloading, you'll be asked if you want to subscribe to our newsletter. You can fill in your credentials if you do like to do that. Otherwise, just press close. In the meantime, your file has been downloaded to a download folder. Press that, and now you can run through the installation guide. You can read the EULA if you like, or just press agree. Choose where you want to install the program. Press continue. Press install. The first time that you install Hindenburg, you'll get this security warning. This is because we have bundled Soundflower together with Hindenburg. You are now asked to go to your security settings and allow Hindenburg to install Soundflower for you. If you do not do this, Soundflower will not be installed. Soundflower is a small program that you can use to route audio from one application directly to Hindenburg. This could be from Skype, Google Hangouts, your browser, or anything else really. And now back to the installation. You have now successfully installed Hindenburg. You can now locate the icon for the Hindenburg program, and Hindenburg will open. Congratulations, you have now installed Hindenburg and you're ready to begin editing audio.